Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganpat Nagda, PhD in Environmental Science. Today we will discuss a new topic. What can I do to help achieve one planet living? One planet living is a bioregional's vision for happier, healthier lives for everyone within the limits of our one planet. There are plenty of actions each of us can take in our own lives to help achieve this vision. Below you will find tips for each of one planet living principles, which will enable you to take a joined up approach to living more sustainably. We have also shared what we think are the top 4 things you can do to have the biggest impact. Big ideas, big impact. Stay on the ground. One long haul flight can amount to half a UK person's yearly carbon footprint. So opt for more local holidays and travel by train where you can. Follow the plant-based trend. Cutting down on meat and dairy will slash your environmental impact from carbon emissions to water consumption and deforestation. Use your voice. Write to your local MP and ask what they are doing about climate change, or tweet businesses that are not meeting your expectations. Consume less and better. Research shows that buying more stuff does not make us happy. The planet will thank you for buying less and investing in better quality products. One planet living tips. The tips below use links to UK specific resources, but the ideas themselves can be used across countries. Feel free to adapt and add your own links. Health and happiness. The best way to live a happy, healthy life is to stay active, eat healthily, enjoy nature, and be social. Equity and local economy. Support your local economy by buying from independent retailers. Opt for fair trade products where possible and check which companies are members of the Ethical Trading Initiative. Choose banks that invest sustainably and ethically and divest your pension. Culture and community. Get it with your local community, meet new people, and make it a better place to be in by volunteering or joining a local group. Be a tourist in your own area. From parks to museum, there will be plenty to enjoy. Land and nature. Even the smallest gardens can be heavens for wildlife if you grow pollinators plants. Check out our top 10 tips for helping nature in your backyard. Avoid fertilizers or pesticides that harm wildlife and people. Pesticide Action Network UK has lots of information about the issues and ideas for alternatives. Sustainable water. Instead water but in your garden and harvest rainwater for watering plants. Be water conscious at home. Here are some tips for making savings as well as some handy gadgets. Local and sustainable food. Make the most of British produce and get locally grown veg delivered. If that is not an option, try and shop seasonally in supermarkets using Good Foods seasonality table. Remember to take your own produce bags. Reduce food waste by planning meals ahead of time and only buying what you need. Love food, hate waste has great advice. Travel and transport. One in can trip in the UK are under a mile. Why not swap to walking or cycling? You will save money and feel better for it. Car sharing is a great way to cut the carbon footprint. of your commute, plus the average lift share members saves. Materials and products: buy less stuff, turn on charity shops for clothes, share items like tools with your neighbors, and swap books and films with your friends and family. Buy better when you need to. Opt to products that are sustainable, high quality, and that can be repaired. Zero waste. Avoid using things that can't be recycled easily. Invest in reusable items like water bottles, lunchbox, coffee cup, cutlery for fruit and vegetable. Stay clear of overly packaged item. Here are 101 more tips. Repair things that break and recycle as much as you can. From food waste and packaging and old clothes and shoes to batteries. Zero carbon energy. Swap to a green energy supplier. If available, buy energy efficient appliances and be energy savvy. It is not just about turning lights off. If you have the money, think about installing solar panels or insulating your house. Thanks for watching for all about this today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.